Fucking headset. Where's my fucking hood? It's better. Fucking hood over the fucking underneath the cunt.
Construction complete. New construction options. Building. Building.
Building. Building.
Construction complete.
Construction complete.
Construction complete. New construction options. Building. Construction complete. New construction options. Building.
Was used to me and used to you, for nothing can come between the two of us.
Enemy units sighted. Construction complete. New construction options. Building. Training. Construction complete.
Ready to
New
go.
construction options.
Reckoner. On my way. Last stop.
Training.
Reckoner here. A force to reckon with. Our cabal emerges. We've got the rockets. Final destination. Who are we firing at next? Reckoner here. Let's hit the front.
The Black Hand has arrived.
On my way.
Our cabal emerges.
Wheels of steel.
They will fear us. We have been
Got the
called.
rockets.
Faith in numbers.
Rockets ready.
The Black Hand has arrived. The Black Hand awaits.
Our cabal emerges. Kane's word is all.
We've got the rockets. Keep an eye out.
The Black Hand has arrived. Forward! Construction complete. Building. Construction complete. New construction options. Construction complete. Beacon detected.
Why is he placing a fucking beacon on my thing?
Cannot deploy here.
Fucking Fruit Loop.
Upgrade complete. Building.
Yeah, DJ.
What's up?
There you go, mate.
Unit promoted. Silos needed. Beacon detected. Building. Construction complete. New construction options.
Okay.
Training.
I want more
Training.
time.
The Black Hand has arrived. The Black Hand has arrived. Assembly complete. Building. On hold. Cancelled. Unit promoted. We are the chosen.
Too bad.
We're in control here. Out of my way. Building.
You doing, yeah?
Yeah, no man. Stop.
I wait.
Our cabal emerges.
They'll have to Got the reckon rockets. with me. Here we go.
Construction complete.
Last up.
Black Hand has arrived.
The reckoning has come.
Cannot deploy here.
Our cabal emerges.
Insufficient funds.
Reckoner here. No one can stop me.
Got the rockets.
Moving to the front. Let's hit the road. End of the line.
We have orders.
Rally to the Brotherhood.
If it moves, kill it. Keep an eye out. Rockets this way.
The Black Hand has arrived. We have been called. Unit promoted. Building. Construction complete. Unit under attack. Cannot deploy here. Our base is under attack. Repairing. Building. Unit promoted. Building. Construction complete. Building.
Tiberium is the answer.
The Redeemer. Construction complete. On hold. Cancelled.
Let's put that down in my book. Where's my book? My
Stole
YouTube
it.
book.
Did you do that video?
What video?
That guy said.
Oh, I haven't done that yet. That's number 2 to do on my list.
Select target.
No, number
Number
1.
one.
Number 1, that's number 1. Number 2 is to do some videos on Kane's Reloaded. Somebody's asked me to fucking do a couple of videos on it to see what's on it. I know what's on it. You can just build walls and a couple other things. So I don't really mod Kane's. But then
Options.
just had a comment saying, could you make some videos where you're making maps? It would be interesting because also I'm working on a map but having trouble on some points. Watching a master at work might help me make my own map. Oh yeah! Make Kane's map and record it on YouTube.
Upgrade complete.
Anyone, tell me what you need. What are you playing now, Gavin?
Just on tower defense at the moment.
Enemy units
nice.
sighted.
Just practicing, like, sort of managing my money and that.
What you want? Tell me what you need.
Building. Construction complete. Training. Enemy units sighted. Unit under attack. Our base is under attack. Insufficient funds.
Taking position. Unloading. Tiberium is power. Active. Into the darkness. Death comes silently.
It's bedtime for DJ because he's making me fucking yawn.
Oh yeah, now you like that, bitch. That's what you get for making me yawn yesterday. Bitch.
Bitch.
How'd you like them apples?
I love them apples, mate. I love fish and chips, mate.
Yeah, I know you do.
Building.
First encounters with DJ sound-alikes.
What? Dickhead. Fucking DJ sound. I'll give you DJ sound like in a minute.
Insufficient funds.
You know you loved it.
Construction complete.
Yeah, man.
You did, mate.
Spectre online. Ready to strike. Like a ghost.
Enemy units sighted.
Death comes silently.
Summertime and I'm feeling fine. I know about you, but this party time.
Building. Enemy commando detected. Construction complete.
Paradise, what I feel.
Building.
Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun.
Construction complete. Enemy units sighted.
What we should start working on, Gavin, when you've got a minute, is a group for fucking Steam.
Oh yeah, yeah.
For mine and yours YouTube.
Construction complete.
Oh, that'd be cool, man.
Commando detected.
And then whoever like goes on there and sees my info for my YouTube will see yours as well.
Yeah.
So you can probably post your updates on there as well. As well as
Yeah.
I didn't have one a couple of months ago, but I just didn't know what to do with it. So I just fucked it off.
Death from above.
But I've got a bit more ideas now. In paradise.
Yes, coming. Kane's fury.
Training.
Just close you torrent now. I've seed into that hillbilly.
But what, Billy?
Yeah.
You?
Enemy
Yeah.
commando
See yourself, you weirdo.
I know. I love seeding into myself. It's epic. You get the best speeds, mate.
I'm Can't hold of yourself. Duplicate.
unit under
Yeah.
attack.
In paradise.
Training.
Yeah.
Oh, Stealth don't even know, does that?
What?
The missus was writing some work up on my computer last night for the kids, innit? Obviously, because they're homeschooled and she has to write reports for home education. And after she'd done that, I was fucking around on my desktop and it just turned off. Just like turned off, fully turned off. Didn't give me no warning or nothing. Couldn't get it back on. So I fucked off to bed. Thought I'd just sort it out in the morning. Woke up this morning, still couldn't get it back on after about an hour and a half. So I phoned the shop where I got all the parts from, and he said just bring it down because he's my mate, innit?
Enemy units sighted.
Took it down to him. He had a quick test on it, and CPU had gone.
CPU?
Yeah, gone, mate. It's only a couple of months old. Just packed in. He said it either burnt out by changing the multiplier, or it was a faulty chip. And I just said to him, I haven't overclocked it because I don't need to. I've had the boost on, but that's default in it. You can have the boosts on with the chips. End up getting an i7. 4th gen, 4K.
Nice.
But don't like them.
You don't like.
No, because I can't already load. Tried loading a couple of games already and it won't let me load them. Fucking hell, what was it now? So I said the games earlier. Torchlight, it won't load none of the torchlights for me, especially one. I have to go into Task Manager. I don't know whether you lot can do this. I think Gavin can. Task Manager, and go to set it to infinity. You can tell it how many CPUs to use, innit?
Yeah.
But you have to have unlimited for that. Windows 7 unlimited or Windows 8. You do. I don't know, I might keep it, I might not. He did say he'd phone me when he gets some in stock and I could just take the i7 back and fucking just swap it. Well, I don't know. Rendering is amazing, I've got to admit. Holy shit, I had 4 renderings going on a minute ago when I was playing Kane's with you, Gavin.
Yeah?
Yeah. Didn't lag at all. Apart from halfway through the map when them fucking pillocks was doing whatever they was doing.
Yeah.
Unit under attack.
Got to admit though, the power on him's fucking unbelievable, man.
Oh yeah.
I'm just sat here now,
I approve.
and it's just like flatlining. It's like it ain't got a heartbeat. Yeah, that's with Skype on, fucking all my other programs. You even got the world builder open.
Let's go to the crystals. We must have more.
Oh, I really do need a new graphics card though. And he had like £296 in the bank as well.
Only.
Well, that's what my mum moved for me the other day when I brought that game stuff. She used it.
Yeah, I just looked in the bank, I got about £200 in there. I was like, fucking nice.
Barlex, where'd that come from?
Look at my bank, I've got like, yeah, minus £21.
Someone's put the wrong sort code in and sent Gavin 2 bills.
That's okay, that's my money now. They bitches ain't getting that money back.
Stop yawning, DJ.
Hey, fucking yawn, you prick! Dickhead.
Training.
How about you fucking stop yawning, you cunt?
Oh, yeah.
Don't fucking give me that, you'll yawn first, you cunt.
I'm gonna phone your mum in a minute and tell her to duct tape your mouth up.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You really gonna, she's at work?
I'll tell her to come back from work, because it's important.
Yeah? Really?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Construction.
0772262222240, mate. That's
Oh,
my mum's number, yeah?
I've already got it, I've got her on Facebook.
Okay, go on then. Pull
So
up.
who on Facebook?
DJ's mum.
Yeah, he wishes.
Yeah, she gets her own bow.
Right, Levi, she's skinny or fat?
I don't want to be disrespectful, but in between, you know.
She's a fucking twig!
In between the two.
It was a good word for guess, wasn't it?
Oh, fucking hell. She's in between the two, she is.
Fucking hell. Oh, there you go.
Taking position.
She's Welsh.
She's South African. Cunt.
South Africa.
Fuck me, you're one weird South African boy.
I know.
Feel sorry for your dad.
Oh, he's Russian.
Now that would be a combination. Russian and African, yeah, right.
Oh shit. Did I mention he's got a bit of Indian in him?
if you find me a Russian, yeah, and an African couple, I will stop gaming for 2 weeks.
Oh, he's got a bit of Indian in him as well.
Yeah. Was he fucking Mr. Singh?
Fucking hell.
You do know that's the pop. You do know that's Singh, and what's the other one? Singh and what's the other second name that's very popular?
Dance.
No. There's two. I think it's from Pakistani or somewhere like that. Two families. No, not that one. No. I definitely, if I knew it, if somebody said it, I'd definitely know. No. Watching a documentary the other day, and Singh and another second name is the most populous second name in the world, and obviously you can understand why in it, because they multiply like fucking rabbits.
I think Ahmed is most used one.
You reckon?
Yeah.
Let me see if I can get it up now. Most popular second names.
I bet Blythe's fucking rare. Nah, it's alright.
Most popular second.
Ward's common.
Yeah.
Wilkins is uncommon.
Yeah, I ain't heard of a Wilkins before, apart from you, obviously. Still, what's your last name?
Niklasen.
Never heard that one before. Stealth's got a rare one there.
Viking name.
I'm looking at a US.
Oh yeah, Stealth's a Viking.
I'm looking at a US one. Obviously they're not gonna have the Singh in there because it's fucking from Pakistan. But holy shit, I'm like, my second name comes like 10th in America.
Stealth's a Viking, mate.
Yeah.
Don't mess with Stealth. He knows all the fucking. He's got a shield and everything. Stealth has. Try to find Blythe.
Oh, for fuck's sake. There's a bear chasing a fucking guy.
I remember which Wikipedia I was looking on. There's fucking so many of them nowadays.
There's only one Wikipedia.
No, there isn't, mate. There's fucking loads of fucking chats about this shit.
Yeah, but there's only one Wikipedia.
Yeah, but there's loads of pages on the wiki.
No, it's just the way you said it. So many Wikipedias. Just pick on Levi there today.
You won't get nowhere, mate. Don't work on me, mate.
What don't work on you?
Picking on me.
What are you going about?
What you're going on about?
Who's going on about what?
Don't really what with a what bit bullshit with me.
Don't do that what bullshit with water, because when the water does that what with the what, it don't goes all what with.
Listen, when it goes to the what with the what with the bap, this cock, you can't say
Cock,
shit.
what the fuck? No, what's on your mind, don't you, you
Fucking
puff?
hell.
Yes, me DJ.
Hey, do you know when it starts starting and it stops stopping, but then when it starts stopping, it stops starting? But you want it to start starting and stop stopping, because when it stops starting, it starts stopping, and you don't want it to start stopping. You want it to stop stopping and start starting. You know what I mean?
Well, you got to compromise, because then you just keep it in the middle of the stop, and starting.
Yeah, but no, it stops starting when it starts stopping. And you don't want it, because as soon as it starts stopping, it stops starting.
Fuck me,
Why would you want
guys.
that to happen?
Whoa, slow it down. What if it starts starting, it stops stopping, then it stops stopping, then you just fully stop it.
Yeah, but you can't stop stopping it when it stops starting, because when it starts stopping, it starts starting.
It's got to start somewhere and it's got to stop somewhere. It can't
Yeah,
start
but
and
it
stop.
starting. That's what I'm saying. If it starts, it stops. When it stops, it starts. And then when it stops stopping, it somehow starts starting. We've lost everyone in the chat.
Fucking hell, guys.
Only me and Levi knew what was going on about there. We was too fast.
Apparently that guy can't get rid of that bear. Just running back and forth on the bridge.
Best way to get away from a bear is to get some distance between you and log out.
No, you just jump over the railings or fences.
But if you ain't got a
You don't have
fence
to
next
run all the way around.
Personally, I'll just give it an uppercut.
you have to show me that one time.
Chin it. Fucking headbutt it.
Unit under attack.
Just jump on his head.
Combat systems online. Advancing.
Or stab it up.
Our base is under attack. Operation engaged. Unit promoted.
Dang it, I want to go.
Repairing.
Hit it! This bike's ready. Got it! Right! Hit it! Go,
Unit
go!
under attack.
Hit it! Go, go! This bike's ready. Got it!
Beacon
Let's
detected.
go!
Stealth
Hit it!
unit
Got it!
detected.
Go, go! Let's go! Leave it! Let's go! Right! This bike's ready. Hit it! Right! Go, go! Got it! Go, go! Got it! Go, go!
Unit lost.
Go,
Living up, we say what
got it!
do I do?
Too bad, dude.
Let's go for a hunt!
Oh, my music stopped fucking playing. On that end. Oh wait, yeah, it's on that end. It's just a quiet one.
Our base is under attack.
Go, go! Let's go! Right! Got it! Let's
Unit
go!
promoted.
Drink this bitch mobile.
Let's go! Got it! Right! Let's go! Hit it! Right!
If you don't know what to say, then don't say nothing at all.
Go!
Stealth unit detected.
Go! Got it! Let's go! Right! Go, go!
Another episode.
Hit it! Right! Got it!
Beacon detected.
And your poo.
Hit it! Go, go!
Advancing. Our base is under attack. Kane is all.
Fucking hell, I'm getting real big dicks on you, man.
On where?
On Kane's, man, fucking giving me shit, like, some guy's, like, saying thank you for the help noob, just because he helped my fucking Redeemer, which I didn't even need help on him anyway. And then they all calling me ungrateful and shit, and, give me shit over about it, so I'm telling them straight, innit?
Repairing. Beacon detected.
Tell him to come on Skype and we'll show him our asses.
Tell him to come on Skype and I'll show him my muscles.
Fucking muscles? But them little potatoes?
Yeah, mate.
On hold.
I'll just show my ass.
Cancelled.
I'll put my
Building. Our base is under attack.
Set us free.
I'll just show him your bedroom.
Promoted.
God damn.
Unit under
my
attack.
bedroom.
Yeah.
Unit lost.
That bin still overflowing, that'll put him off.
Let me have a look. That's looking alright. It's a bit overflowed actually, but it's alright at the moment actually. It's not as bad as it was the other day.
Select target. Construction complete.
What are we waiting for? Right!
Stealth unit detected. Building.
Can't stand elitist players, you know?
Yeah.
People who just act like they're better than everyone else and then expect you to be all grateful for their help, like. Tell them straight, go fuck your nan. As if I'm gonna be like, oh yeah, thank you for that, after they just give me shit over there, like.
Let's go for a hunt!
Spectre online.
You'd have to see them in real life, they fucking shit their pants after I kicked them in the fucking head.
Stealth unit
Bed
detected.
shot.
Sure.
I can make their ears bleed for the week.
Oh,
Construction complete.
Perforate their eardrums, man. Fucking.
Fury. Spectre online.
Structure sold.
To lead. We shall lead.
Right back.
Advance to glory.
Yeah, no, mate, take time.
Cannot deploy here. Cannot
Lips,
deploy here.
pale face, breathing in the snowflakes, burnt lungs, sour taste. Lights gone, days end, struggling to pay rent, long nights, strange men. And they say she's on the class 18, stuck in her daydream. Been this way since 18, but lately her face seems slowly sinking, wasting, crumbling like pastries. And they scream, the worst things in life come free to us, 'cause we're just under the upper hand. And go mad for a couple grams. She don't wanna go outside tonight. And in a pipe she flies to the motherland.
Cannot deploy here.
Sells love to another man. It's too cold outside for angels to fly.
Unit promoted. Our base is under attack.
Angels to fly.
Protected.
With gloves, raincoat. Tried to swim and stay afloat. Dry house, wet clothes. Loose change, banknotes. Weary-eyed, dry throat. Cool girl, no phone.
Like a nightmare.
And they say she's in the class 18, stuck in her daydream. Been this way since 18, but lately her face seems slowly sinking, wasting, crumbling like pastries. And they scream, the worst things in life come free to us, 'cause we're just under the upper hand. Go mad for a couple grams. It's too cold. Oh fuck's sake, piss fucked up. In a pipe she flies to the motherland. Sells love to another man. It's too cold outside for angels to fly, to fly, to fly. Ready,
Insufficient funds.
white, closed eyes. For a better life this time we fade out tonight, straight down the line. They say she's in the class 18, stuck in her daydream. Been this way since 18, but lately her face seems slowly sinking, wasting, crumbling like pastries. And they scream, the worst things in life come free to us, 'cause we're just under the upper hand. Go mad for a couple grams. She don't wanna go outside tonight. And in a pipe we fly to the motherland and sell love to another man. It's too cold outside for angels to fly, to
Yeah.
fly,
Oh, man.
to fly up, to fly. Ah. To fly. Angels to fly, to fly, to fly. Angels to
It's
die.
so beautiful, DJ.
Yeah! I went in there.
Like a ghost.
Joking. Who videoed it? Someone must have videoed that.
Into the darkness.
Yeah, I have.
Did you?
Yeah.
See us coming.
Oh, come on. Fucking move your
Into the
fat.
darkness.
Ah, you're lying to me.
Just Oh, really?
Spectre moving.
Honestly.
Yeah, baby. Don't know what. I probably sound like a fucking tit, but.
Taking position.
Feet.
Moving out.
Repairing.
Into the darkness. Target acquired. Like a nightmare.
Be loving you till eternity, 70, whatever you say.
Death from above.
Training. Select target. Stealth unit detected.
People fall in love with mysterious ways. Maybe just the touch of a hand. Oh, days, I feel so cold.
Spectre online. They won't see us coming.
Go up there.
Target acquired.
We found love right where we are.
Sufficient funds. Construction complete.
Pardon you.
You pig.
Damn!
Damn, son.
Taking position.
Structure sold.
Rally to the Brotherhood. We shall lead.
Stealth unit detected.
Ready to strike. Death from above.
Building.
Kane's word is all.
People fall in love in mysterious ways. Maybe just a fuck.
Construction complete.
Maybe just a fuck. Me just a fuck will do for me.
Unit lost. Stealth unit detected. Unit under attack. Unit promoted. Unit under attack.
What is my Redeemer doing, man? Honestly.
Hey, blah, 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 blah.
No.
Oh, guys, you turned me off.
Stealth unit detected.
I feel about that.
Alright.
Building.
He's going to sleep on the settee.
No.
Training.
Susan.
Unit promoted. Construction complete. Cannot deploy here. Cannot deploy here. Stealth unit detected.
Yeah?
I was thinking this could be the name, but then I don't know what to put as the abbreviation. When you get a minute, no rush.
Yeah, mate.
Building.
And that's the abbreviation text. I don't know.
Construction complete.
Because I'm not really that keen on how YouTube brings some of the email, well, the questions through sometimes, or the replies. So if people could reply on there, then I know Steam would fucking give me a green envelope straight away, not like fucking YouTube. You do know if you get spammed with fucking, like, if you get so many comments in a day, it don't record all of them, you know?
Insufficient funds.
I don't.
No, it don't, because I've had people, I've like looked back on videos and I've seen like 3 or 4 people have dropped comments and I didn't get no notification from it at all. So it's like I'm ignoring people when I'm not. I reply to everyone on my YouTube if I get a notification.
Yeah.
People could request stuff on the group as well for either me or you to do if it was a game or so. I kid you not, if I start playing HD1 now, HD1 and start streaming it, I'd get shit tons of views.
Yeah.
So I've already had like at least 150 people ask for more gameplay of like 7 Days to Die and fucking Infestation and stuff like that, but I just don't play them long periods of time because the bugger, or there's just something that I don't like about them. But I am going to start recording HD1 when I get on there. Probably start playing a load more from tomorrow. Truthfully, I don't normally play much on a Sunday or a fucking Monday.
Yeah.
It's the missus' day off, innit? I'm gonna go and sit down with her soon.
Yeah, that's fair enough, mate.
Unit promoted. Insufficient funds.
Purifier ready.
Unit under attack.
Say yeah.
Construction complete.
Okay, right now. We're so fucked up right now.
Stealth unit detected. Unit promoted. Unit under attack.
Onward to victory.
The Tiberium will set us free.
Stealth unit detected.
Funny how fucking Pink just had a go at me and now look at them.
Yeah.
I'm fucking recording it as well. Their base is getting smashed. They just managed to EMP a load of tripods, but they'll be coming out soon.
I'm black.
You're back.
I never left really. I just went to do a recording.
Yeah.
Serious?
I'm back.
Come on.
Serious? I just
Recording.
went- I just went-
You
Serious?
do recording, yeah.
Beacon detected.
Serious?
Yeah.
Don't believe me.
Oh.
Okay.
Fields of green.
What was you recording, you little fucking maggot?
You little fucking maggot.
Fucking maggot. You fucking want some, eh?
Fuck you want some?
Let's go.
In control. Ready to burn.
Forge a path.
Since 18, but lately her face seems slowly crumbling like pastries. They scream the worst things in life come free to us, cause we're just under the upper hand. Leave our socks cocked for a couple of grand.
Yeah, it's a good one that was.
That went perfect, isn't it? Freestyle on the spot, that was.
Yeah. You freestyler, you're too brain dead to fucking even.
I just fucking did, didn't I?
Yeah.
Building.
What was it? A fucking 2-barer?
Yeah, it was actually one bar, actually.
That's what
1,000
you call fucking
yards.
freestyling.
Levi can't even touch his own nose with a pole.
No.
I can't freestyle, man.
I told ya.
Funds.
Found love without where we are. We found love right where we are. Cakes on your face cause you're a motherfucking disgrace. Oh, pie on your face, mace lace.
You're gonna hear that back, I tell you that now.
Yeah.
You're gonna think to yourself, what the fuck
I
is that
didn't
doing?
know that when I said it, mate.
It's gonna be a silent recording.
Oh dear me.
Dear you, bitch.
Stealth unit detected.
Too many times before.
Unit promoted.
DJ, you gonna come and pick me up with that loud mouth of yours?
What, do you need picking up?
Yeah, mate, yeah.
What do you need picking up for?
I need to go to Bangladesh.
Alright, one's it.
Bangladesh for the sesh.
Picking up Levi. Going to Bangladesh! Picking up Levi.
I need to go find Ahmed.
Ahmed! No, he's not here.
Sounds like that fucking Steve. Ahmed.
Anyone else you need to find?
No.
Construction complete. Stealth unit detected.
I wait.
Let me know if you need to find anyone, and I'll get on it.
Beacon detected. Building. Stealth unit detected. Construction complete.
Ahmed, are you here right now? Levi's on the bella. He wants you all night. Who's screenshotting about?
Stealth unit detected. Structure sold.
Time before.
Yeah, DJ, you'll love this one. I'll WhatsApp it you.
Silos needed.
Buffering, what's going on? Come on, fucking connection. Bloody bastard.
Training. Stealth unit detected.
Oh my days, I saw down my connection. Oh wait, there we go, slow down. Oh wait, I can find a spitting image.
Beacon
Oh, my camera
detected.
working, bro.
Our ally has been defeated.
Fucking orange is fucking done as well. Nice. That's fucking two fucking smackheads who fucking thought that I was doing shit.
Spitting image, yeah.
Stealth unit detected. Building. Training. Construction complete.
I'll be right back.
Come on.
You know,
Purifier ready.
Upgrade complete.
Tiberium is power.
This bike's ready.
Insufficient funds.
I've got the thoughts.
On hold. Cancelled.
Flame tanks prime.
Enemy unit
This bike's
sighted.
ready.
Stealth unit detected. Select target. Our base is under attack. Unit under attack.
This bike's ready.
Unit promoted.
This bike's ready.
Want to see how messy my desk is?
What's the one?
Unit lost. Training. Repairing. Repairing.
The Brotherhood has
Repairing.
entrusted me.
Repairing. 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 Repairing.
May I assist you?
Training. Insufficient funds. Structure repaired.
Fields of green.
Just going toilet. Let me know when you've done your game, Gavin, yeah?
Yeah, no worries, mate.
Alright, mate. Won't be a minute.
Fear is mine.
This bike's ready.
Enemy units sighted.
Flame tanks prime.
Finally.
Unit under attack.
I am the world.
Okay, now. Purifying flame. Fucking beautiful.
Our base is under attack. You are victorious.
Where's your message, DJ?